In the previous video, we have discussed how to create a database and how to create tables which are present in the database. Okay, now first I would like to show you how can you see a list of databases inside MySQL. Okay, for that you have to use the command show databases. So when you use the command show databases, you get to see a list of databases present inside MySQL. Okay, so there is information schema, MySQL, online store, performance schema, sample DBs, and temple DB. We have been using this database called a sample DB. So to move to sample DB, you have to say use sample DB. Okay. Now, how can you see the list of tables inside the database called as sample DB? For that, we have to do show tables. It is like how you see a list of databases inside MySQL. Similarly, we have show tables to see how many tables are present inside a given database. Okay, so inside sample TV, there is a table called as books. Now, if I say select all from books, okay, there is only one data, right? And in the previous video, I have added one more data, right? Do you remember 5 point someone, right? Okay, now first I would insert the value, insert into sample DB. Okay, I will give the name serial number, comma, name of the book. So I'll just copy this values to comma, and when you write a data in varchar, you should always remember to use the single quotes. Okay, one night at the 5 point something. Okay, sorry. The mistake was it was insert into books. Okay, so remember these careless mistakes. You should not do such kind of mistakes whenever you're typing. Okay, okay. Now if I see select all from books, you have two data, right? Here I have null values because I wasn't aware what was the price and number of pages. Now I have found out what is the number of pages and the price. If I say I want to update the values, what can I do? In order to update the values, you have to use the update command. Okay, the update command is like this: update table name books set number of pages equals, let us say, 140, comma, price equals, let us say, 180. Where? Now what is the condition? Which book you have to update? You have to update the second book, right? 5 point someone. Okay. So for now, I'm saying where serial number equals 2. So query okay, one row affected, which means the change has occurred successfully. Now, if I say select all from books, the record with updated values is being presented. Okay, the book has been represented with updated value. Now, in this command, I have shown you the condition with serial number, right? You can also use the name of the book as a condition. Okay, so where is like a filtering clause. Understood? So you are actually telling the MySQL where you have to update the value. So for that, I have used the command name of the book. Earlier, I have used it, use serial number. Here, I am going to use name of the book. Okay. Now, let us say the price of the book has risen from 140 to 160. Okay. So I will use the command update books set num price is equal to 200, where name of the book equals, I'll say 5 point someone. Got it? So this is how you update the book. Now if I show the result, the price, which was earlier 180, is now updated to 200. So you can actually update the values based on any of the parameters. Okay, there are lots of other operations that can be performed, but it is beyond the scope of this video, and I will explain all this to you in a later video. Okay, now I want to remove one of the data. Okay, let us say I don't have this book anymore. Okay, in order to remove this book from the database, you just have to say delete from books, where, let us say this time, name of the book equals one night at the call center, at the call center. Okay, okay, the mistake was there was an missing underscore. Now if I say okay, one row affected, and if I say select all from book, only one book only. Okay, so this is how you remove a record, or say data, from a table. Hope you have understood how to update and remove a data from a table. In the next video, we will be discussing about normalization. What is the need for normalization? What happens when you don't normalize a table? Okay. If you have any queries, please feel free to drop a comment. Okay. I will answer your query for sure, and see you in the next video.